When you find photos hidden or even disappeared from the iPhone Photos app, please check this video to find the solutions to get photos back. Option 1. Check the recently deleted folder. If you have deleted photos from the Photos app unintentionally, the deleted iPhone photos will stay in the recently deleted folder for 30 days. You can check your recently deleted folder to see whether the disappeared photos are there. Step 1. Navigate to the Photos app on your iPhone and select Albums. Step 2. Scroll through the options and locate Recently Deleted under Utilities. Step 3. Locate your missing photo, tap on it, and select the Recover option. For multiple photos, choose Select and then click Recover. Option 2. Unhide your photos. If pictures on iPhone disappeared, they might be in the hidden folder within the Photos app. Just check your hidden album to see whether you have ever hidden photos on your iPhone and reveal the necessary photos. Step 1. Launch the Photos app and navigate to the Albums tab. Step 2. Access the hidden album under Utilities. Step 3. Choose the photo you wish to reveal. Step 4. Click on More, then select Unhide to recover pictures that are missing from your iPhone. Option 3. Make sure you have enabled iCloud Photos. If you use iCloud Photos, syncing issues may lead to photos in iPhone disappeared. Verify your iCloud settings in the Photos app to ensure proper synchronization. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, your name iCloud, then select Photos. Step 2. Enable iCloud Photos. This will help sync your photos across your devices. Option 4. Sign in with the same Apple ID. If you have more than one Apple ID, like me, you may sign in each Apple ID in turn to do different things. So, if your live photos disappeared from iPhone, you can check whether you have logged into your device with the same Apple ID. If not, sign in with the correct Apple ID and access the photos you like. Option 5. Restart your iPhone. In general, many minor bugs can be fixed by simply restarting your device. Hence, if iPhone photos disappear, you can give it a try. Option 6. Update data and time. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Data and Time. Step 2. Enable Set Automatically to let it automatically update the data and time. And you can also select the correct time zone. Option 7. Restore lost photos from iCloud Backup. If other solutions fail and you have been regularly backing up your iPhone to iCloud, you may consider restoring photos from iCloud Backup. Step 1. Navigate to Settings on your iPhone, then go to General, followed by Reset. Choose Erase All Content in Settings, and finally, select Erase iPhone. Once you confirm the operation, your iPhone will restart, leading you to the initial setup screen. Step 2. Establish your iPhone as a new device. On the Apps and Data screen, select the Restore from iCloud Backup option. Step 3. Sign into your Apple ID. Choose the backup file that includes missing photos, and enter the Apple ID to confirm this operation. Wait until the whole process is complete. Option 8. Restore lost photos from iTunes Backup. If you have backed up your iPhone to iTunes previously, chances are that you will get back those missing photos to iPhone from iTunes. As iTunes will permanently erase all current data on the iPhone, you will lose data if you take it this way. Step 1. Install the latest version of iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to this computer with a USB cable. Step 2. Tap Trust when the Trust This Computer window pops up. Step 3. On the iTunes window, click Summary from the left panel. Tap Restore Backup from the right panel. Choose the last backup file from the pop-up window, and hit the Restore option. Option 9. Restore lost photos on iPhone without data loss. If you have ever backed up your iPhone using iTunes, you can recover lost photos on your iPhone via Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the application on your computer. Then choose Recover from iTunes Backup File. Step 2. This software will scan the default iTunes backup location on your computer. Choose an iTunes backup file containing your disappeared photos and then tap Start Scan. Step 3. After scanning, choose Photos and click the Start Scan button again to scan your photos. Step 4. Preview and select the photos you want to restore. Once selected, click Recover to Computer to retrieve the deleted photos to your computer.